Hello Facebook, it's me, Mitch Harper with Mitch Quick Eats. Now last time we made the donuts and everybody loved the donuts and they asked me, oh, can you make some more donuts, So yes, I'm gonna make some more donuts, but these are gonna be Bavarian cream donuts. That's gonna come out really good. So hopefully you'll like it and it's fun and quick and we're gonna enjoy it. Okay, I pulled out the contents and put it in the bowl, and what we're gonna do is mix a little milk in it first. It's gonna be a vanilla pudding mix that we're gonna mix first. So I just do it this way until I get it the thickness that I want. It's almost the thickness that I want. A little teeny bit. Well, actually, that's perfect. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is put this on the side. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make the donuts out of biscuit mix. I got the jumbo biscuit mix to show you how easy we're gonna make these donuts. Now, I'll open it first. Take the donuts out first to show you how we're gonna do them. So there's 8 donuts. Now, you can leave them like that, or what I like to do is to pull them on them a little bit because we're gonna make them a little different. So pull on them just a little bit, evenly, until they stretch out like that. That's how we're gonna want them. You're gonna stretch them out just a little bit. Not too much, but stretch them out just a little bit. So that it looks like that. The reason why I got these donuts because they're bigger and it's a little bit easier to do what I gotta do for them. Stretch them out. They don't have to be perfect, but just stretch them out a little bit. Once you got them stretched out a little bit long, I'll take you over and show you what we're gonna do to them next. We're gonna put each one in there, and when it gets hot enough, it's gonna float back to the top. So just put 3 in there for now. So when they get hot, we're gonna start cooking the way we want them. You're gonna flip them over now so you can get them to get the brown that you want. Since they're puffing up nice, that's what you want. So you can take each one out, put on a plate. Now you put the other stretch donuts in there. Same way, stretch them out, put them in there. Start cooking. Looks like I might be able to get, yeah, just go through it. It was a little browner, but it's still going to be good. Just showing you what you can do. Now, I'm just showing you that it could be either all color still, as long as you got them cooked and puffed up, they're perfect. Now, I'm gonna let them cool off for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna show you on the other platform what we're gonna do to the rest of it. Okay? Okay, now we're gonna take it and stuff it, push it in there, squeeze some filling in there. Oops. Squeeze a little filling there. You can see they get a little bit thicker when you pull it. Lift up a little bit. You know it's full. Pull them. And pull them all like that. You can tell because they're gonna get a little thicker. Once you have the cream in it, you can take some of them, put a little chocolate on the top. Make your Boston cream donut. See? Set them down like that. Home style Boston cream. Boston cream. Some of them you can take and roll around in powdered sugar to make it powdered sugar ones. Some of you guys like powdered sugar. I look at you staring, I can tell you want powdered sugar. See? I'll make 2 of them there, powdered sugar.